Good morning, Achieve, and happy Friday. Wow, you guys made it through this week with all the testing and things that you had to do. So, great job. You did hard things. And today we're going to do a little trip to the beach in our minds to help us to just relax and get away from it all for a minute. But first, we're going to start with our Pledge of Allegiance. So, everybody, please stand, salute, and pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, have a seat. So you have probably all used imagery before. Imagery is like pictures that you have in your mind of different things. A lot of people who play sports use imagery to help themselves do better. Like you picture, if you're a baseball player, for example, you picture yourself hitting the ball, and that just helps you when you get out on the field. Or if you're a runner, you picture yourself running really fast and not getting tired and winning the race. So those are just helpful ways that sports stars like to, just improve their outcomes, their skills out there on the field. So imagery can be used for a lot of different things. It can be used to help you do well on a test, or to finish something that you don't think you're going to be able to finish, or to relax. And so that's what we're going to do today. We're just going to take a couple of minutes to relax and picture ourselves at the beach. And so I'm going to walk you through with a little script called a guided imagery. All right, so here we go. Place yourself in a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a long, slow, deep breath. As you breathe out, relax your body. Imagine that you are walking on a beach. Picture the beach in your mind. Notice the color of the sand. It is smooth and warm under your feet as you walk slowly along the shore. Dig your toes into the sand. It feels cool underneath. As you walk along and feel the sand beneath your toes, the sun is warm on your face. Look around you. In front of you is a huge blue ocean. The sunlight sparkles like tiny stars dancing on the surface. You look at the ground, and in front of you is a big rock. You decide to step up onto it. As you step up, the rock feels rough on the bottom of your feet. You turn to face the ocean as you stand still in the sun. You close your eyes and listen to the calm waves roll in and roll out. You hear birds chirping. You feel relaxed. Your body is warm in the sun. There's a cool breeze. You feel a little shiver. You feel happy. As we end this beach imagery, you still feel warm, calm, and relaxed. Take a long, slow, deep breath. Open your eyes, and you're ready for the day. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed the trip to the beach. Enjoy your day, Achieve. Bye.